Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your YouTube history. So let's jump straight into it, and you'll need to head over to the YouTube application. Now, it doesn't matter if you're on a computer or you're on a mobile because the steps are going to be somewhat similar. And once you're on the YouTube website, just make sure you're logged into your account. Come over to your profile icon in the top right hand side, and then we're going to come over to this tab here, Your Data in YouTube. Now, if you scroll down here, first of all, you can download all of your YouTube data, so you can see all of the information that's being collected on you. And if we scroll down a bit further, you'll find all of your YouTube watch history. So you can actually just go and disable your watch history if you don't want this being recorded by selecting this on button here. And then we can press turn off if we want this turned off. Otherwise, let's come back to the previous window, and you'll have two different things in here. So you'll have your YouTube watch history as well as your YouTube search history. And in order to delete this data, we need to come right down to the bottom where it says manage your YouTube watch history and click this link. And then obviously at the moment you can see that my YouTube history is turned on. Like I said, we can change that to off if you'd rather. Also, the history will be deleted automatically after 36 months. We can also come into here and adjust this time frame, so we can have this deleting after 3 months if you'd rather. And then to go ahead and just delete this history, we need to come down to the delete button here. And you can choose to either delete from all time or to delete from a custom range. And then once you've done that, we can come back to the previous window. And this time we're going to scroll down to our YouTube search history. Like I said, there's two different ones. So you've got the YouTube search history, plus you've also got the YouTube watch history. So if you wanted to delete both of these, then we'd come now into the manage YouTube search history. And once again, we would just come over to delete and delete from all time. Or you can just choose to delete the history individually by pressing the cross button here. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you delete your YouTube history. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.